Hey guys, this is Eddie with WTI, and I want to share today a 32-degree thermal shirt that I absolutely love. Actually, I'm wearing one and I have one here to show, so I have two of them. And I have two because they're absolutely perfect. So first of all, you can see that it's tagless. It says 32-degree heat, and it's a little worn out because I used it that often. I usually catch myself wearing it around the house like I am right now because it is chilly. I don't have any heating or air conditioning here where I live. So this is actually perfect as a base layer just to wear. And if it gets too cold, I can put on a sweater or a flannel and it's perfect. They do get a lot of use and I absolutely love them. Been lounging around the house today with it and it feels really good because it's lightweight. It doesn't feel like it's overpowering. It just feels very extremely comfortable. So these shirts, absolutely love them, and that's my point of view.